Let's talk about the AI revolution, but maybe not in the way you're used to. We're going to skip the sci-fi stuff and get right to the money. Because what we're witnessing isn't just new tech, it's a full-blown economic explosion that is completely reshaping our world as we speak. Now, everything we're diving into today comes from Chapter 2 of a major report called AI Industry Predictions for 2026. It was put together by Virtualization Options LLC to give strategic insights to leaders, investors, and IT managers. We are zeroing in on the chapter all about the massive market scale and the incredible surge in investment. So, to kick things off, I want you to think about this question. What does a modern $500 billion gold rush actually look like? Seriously, because that's the kind of money we're talking about being poured into AI in just a single year. All right, to really get a handle on this, you've got to understand the absolutely staggering numbers behind the AI hardware market. This is the bedrock, right? It's the foundation that everything else is being built on top of. So check this out. For this year alone, 2026, the market for just the AI chips is projected to hit nearly $122 billion. That's our starting point. Now, that's a huge number on its own, right? But just you wait. Because by 2035, that very same market is expected to explode to over $1.1 trillion. Let that number sink in for a second. We're not talking about going from millions to billions. We're going from billions to a trillion in less than 10 years. It's just incredible. You know, what you're seeing here is a compound annual growth rate of almost 28%. That's the average growth year after year. But what this chart really shows us is something much bigger. This isn't just simple market growth. It's a sign that we are fundamentally rebuilding the entire engine of global computing from the ground up. So who's pouring all the fuel on this fire? Well, that brings us to big tech's colossal bet. And believe me, this isn't just business as usual. This is a high-stakes, strategic race for absolute dominance. In 2026, this year alone, the big tech giants are set to spend a combined total of over $500 billion on their AI infrastructure. $500 billion in just 12 months. Let's break that down real quick. The who is exactly who you'd think it is. Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Meta. The what they're spending it on? Well, everything. We're talking massive new data centers, super specialized processors, and tons of money into R&D. But the why? That's the most important part. It is all about locking down their competitive position for the future. And this quote from the report just nails it. For these giants, having the most powerful computers and the smartest AI models isn't just some nice feature. It's everything. It's how they plan on winning the entire game. Okay, so we've got a $1 trillion market, $500 billion in spending. It's easy for these numbers to just sound abstract, but what does it actually mean for you? Well, this spending spree is creating this huge ripple effect, and that's what we're going to look at next. So if you're an investor, listen up, because the game is changing. The report is pretty clear that the market is growing up. The smart money isn't just going to chase the cool, shiny new tech anymore. It's going to flow to the solutions that can prove they have a real business impact and can actually scale up. And for anyone in a leadership role, the message here is, frankly, urgent. The old rules of competition are being thrown out the window. Your ability to get your hands on computing power, to hire the best AI talent, and to make the right partnerships, that's no longer just a way to get ahead. It's quickly becoming a basic requirement for survival. And for all you IT managers out there, you are on the absolute front lines of this. Your challenge is immense. You've got to turn these colossal investments into actual, tangible value. That means optimizing every single dollar, mastering that tricky decision of whether to build your own systems or buy from someone else, and making sure the whole thing is ready to scale up at a moment's notice. So, knowing all of that, how in the world do you prepare for this? Well, the good news is the report lays out a pretty clear, actionable roadmap to help you navigate this incredible surge. Here are 3 things you really need to be doing right now. First, develop solid ROI frameworks. You have to know what success looks like before you start spending. Second, get really good at assessing vendors. Not all AI partners are created equal, so you need to be able to tell the difference. And third, you have to master the build versus buy decision. This is a huge choice that will shape your company's future for years. Look, the bottom line is this. The AI infrastructure arms race is already here. It's happening right now. The money is being spent, the foundations are being laid, and the winners and losers of the next decade are being decided as we speak.
And that really leaves us all with the single most important question. In this new world where computing power is king and the stakes have literally never been higher, how will you compete?